Hello YouTube, I have a 2022 Corolla Hybrid and I'm going to show you how to change the air filter. So it's a really simple process. All you have to do is pull this tab off, and you have these two little ears back here. You're just going to pick this up a little bit and you slide it towards the battery there, and then it picks up out of the way. It doesn't pick up a whole lot, but it picks up enough to get the filter out. Shimmy that on out of there. Mine was full of crap. Here's the new filter, part number from Fran. Toyota, I don't know, they didn't have one at the dealership for me. They had a square filter, but not the rectangle one. So I just went to Walmart and got the Fran filter. There we go, same filter. Now all you're gonna do is you're gonna lift this back up, take your filter, you're gonna shimmy it on down in there, rubber side up because that's what's gonna seal against the box here. You're gonna take those ears, there's one in the back and one right here, you're gonna kind of push it down and towards the passenger side, make sure it's seated all the way. And you just take these two clips here, pick it up, and push it on, and that's all. That's how you change the air filter on a hybrid Corolla.